Hello, and welcome to Echo University Online. I'm Dr. Alan Zellinger, the president and host of this educational website. Our focus is for busy cardiologists and cardiac sonographers to have an opportunity to learn the latest up-to-date information regarding the clinical uses of echo and technological advances at their own convenience, which means doing it online. The home page has some introductory information indicating that we provide AMA Category 1 credits for physicians and also CEU credits for sonographers. Let me show you how to navigate the site so that you can access the various learning opportunities. Located on the left side of the screen, you can see the slots indicating access to various portions of the website. We have a Learning Center digital library. Let me show you what happens when we click on that. We're able to then access various cases, as for example you see here. This is a case of a sizable myxoma that produced obstruction in this patient. You can see in another view how that myxoma produces its obstruction. After reviewing the images, each case has a comprehensive discussion of the underlying pathology. This is followed by various pertinent questions, which are then answered and submitted back to Echo University, either by email or by fax, so that proper credit can be given for the continuing education. On the image library case listing, you can review which of the many interesting cases you would like to view, and then review the discussion and answer questions for CME credits. This case listing is continuously updated through the year with additional material. If you click here, you then will have access to the members restricted area by putting in your code, and I'll show you how to become a member of Echo University Online before we finish this instructional taping. Next, we have the Learning Center quizzes. If you click on this slot on the left, this will give you questions regarding various pertinent topics in echo Doppler. For example, this is a quiz regarding prosthetic valves. We encourage you to go through each question and answer it to the best of your ability. Following the review of those questions, you then have access to the answers with comprehensive explanations. These quizzes count for 1/4 hour of credit each, and they may also be faxed or emailed back to our Echo University Online Center. If you click on this slot, you will then access our lecture series. Here is an example. You can click on a lecture which I gave on prosthetic heart valves. You will then see the real-time recording of the lecture in its entirety. Following the lecture are a series of questions that would illustrate your knowledge base following what you have learned through the lecture. Please then review those questions, answer them, and you can send those answers in for CME credits. Each lecture accounts for 45 minutes of CME credit. You can access the list of lectures. Currently, our list consists of 12 lectures, but these again are continuously updated. Cardiac tumors, congenital heart disease, diastology, physics of ultrasound, use of contrast, endocarditis, heart failure, aortic pathology, mitral valve disease, pericardial diseases, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, and of course prosthetic heart valves are all discussed, giving a very broad range of educational information on important echocardiographic topics. Echo Challenges gives the viewer an opportunity to make their own diagnosis before the correct answer is then given and discussed. For example, in this case, images are reviewed, and then the correct diagnosis is given with some information. In this case, it happened to be an abdominal aortic aneurysm with clot that was incidentally visualized from subcostal view of a standard transthoracic echo. You can access the latest in technological information by clicking on the T-spot. Here we see examples of various topics that are discussed. In this case, there is a comprehensive discussion of speckled Doppler. Images are accessed. And then a discussion occurs which allows you to get the most in terms of information regarding progress in the area that is being handled, along with references. Finally, we do have a preceptorship option for those that are intent on intensive learning and review of echoes on a one-on-one basis. This can be arranged by individual appointment through the website. Registration to become enrolled in Echo University can be easily accomplished in a few minutes' time by clicking on the registration button. All the information you need to enter can be done online in a few minutes' time, and membership for 1, 2, or 3 years be paid for, again, online with a secure system. I want to thank you for spending the time watching us navigate through the Echo University online website. I want to encourage you to be one of those who enrolls in Echo University Online, and I hope you find this a very useful site for getting the continuing education that provides you with up-to-date information on echo Doppler.